is going to be an unboxing and review of the Picasso tiles KC108 inflatable bounce house with water. In the box you have your bounce house all wrapped up. I just unrolled it. The blower motor came in this box with 4 little stakes if you want to stake that down. You got your water hose. As you can see, it shoots out water in 2 different spots. You got your stakes for the main bounce house or the main slide, and then your bag. So I just put out some tarps I had just to try to protect it from getting any punctures. It does come with 4 little adhesive patches. I don't want to have to use those though, so we're going to try to prevent it from getting punctured with some tarps. So anyways, I'm about to plug it in. It comes with a nice long cord. Seems like it's like a 20-foot cord, so I'm gonna go plug that in, then we'll inflate it and see how it looks. All right, so to turn it on, well, first you just take your hose there, your air tube, wrap it around this, and then cinch it down with that. Once you got it cinched down and you're ready to turn it on, simple button right there. Well, you got to press the button on your GFCI plug first. All right, now we'll see if it wants to turn on. There we go. All right. Don't make my mistake. Make sure your sock is unfolded, or untwisted, I should say. Straight out of the box. Didn't even think to check that. All right, now that we got it untwisted, we should have better operation. Try this again. That's cool. A little plane flew over. Pretty obvious, but this says tie shut during use, so go ahead and tie that shut. This is the first bounce house we've purchased, so I can't compare it to other ones in the similar $200 US price range, but yeah, it feels like it's fairly decent material. Anyways, let's get the hose hooked up and see how she looks with water. So the 2 squirters are labeled number 1 and number 2, but they're the exact same, so I don't think it really makes a difference. But we're gonna hook one up there, right under or right above the slide, squirting down onto it, and then the other one squirts into the pool. So pretty simple. You just use the little Velcro pieces to attach the hose. I put 1 up there, 2 down there. Like I said, I don't think it. Oh yeah, there's a 2. Okay, so that's the correct way to do it. 1 up on the slide, 2 on this little cannon, and then just route the hose with little Velcro tabs. Pretty simple. Then grab your garden hose. Not sure what this is for, but your garden hose will hook up right there. Turn the hose on. There we go. Might have to adjust the angle on that one. That one's looking good, straight down the slide. Just have to adjust the angle on this one. Doesn't really look as good, but that's how I adjusted the angle on number 2, so now it's squirting down straight into the pool instead of off into the grass. All right, now let's get the kids out here and test her out. hack to make your inflatable a whole lot more fun for your kids. Take one of these pond pumps, got this one at Harbor Freight. Take that original hose connector, chop it off. Take your pond pump, put the hose on the pump, stick it into the water that you pour boiling water from your tea kettle or whatever you want. If you have a hot water garden hose that's easy to use, then no need to do this. Just hook your hot water garden hose up to your hose connection. But I don't feel like running the garden hose from the laundry room, which is our only hot water hose connection. So I'm just gonna heat up this water and then use the pond pump to recirculate it. So that's what I'm doing here. Since my pond pump is only 4.5 feet height, didn't want to pump it all the way to there, so got it hung down, so now it'll go to about there. It works.